Are you looking for the best makeup brushes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best makeup brushes that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, BS Mall TM Premium 14 PCs Makeup Brush. This ultra-premium brushes is created with the finest materials and work to provide a smooth firm application with a gentle delicate touch. An earth-friendly item, these brushes has been built to last for a long period. Rich colors make this brush set resemble $1,000,000. Smooth application foundation, beautiful lips and precision eyeliner. It comes in a set of 9 pieces of eye cosmetics brushes and 5 pieces of big kabuki makeup brushes. So notes: if you select this brand, clearly this is the best for you. At number 4, Docolor Makeup Brushes. Imagine what 16 pieces of professional brushes would do to your appearance. Well, with the Docolor makeup brush set, you don't need to imagine anymore. It weighs about 8.6 ounces and contains all kinds of brushes you need to apply foundation, mascara, eyeshadow, lip gloss, concealers, powders and more. The stylish and rainbow-colored kit contains quality and durable brushes featuring super soft synthetic fibers. They are strongly attached to the wooden handles to ensure they don't come loose or shed over time. People like this set due to its sturdy handles, minimal shedding, beauty and soft bristles. At number 3, USpicy 32 Pieces Makeup Brush Set. Inside this stylish and exquisite box, measuring 9.4 by 5.5 by 2 inches and weighing 1.1 pounds are 32 makeup brushes. They come in different sizes and the bristles are shaped differently for maximum efficiency and reliability. The black brushes are fit for home and professional use and can be used for concealing, contouring, blending, shading, highlighting, and much more. The cruelty-free synthetic bristles are very soft and won't harm the skin but will remain intact and won't shade unnecessarily. For easy carrying and storage, the set comes with an easy carry pouch. Consumers love the many brushes, firmly attached heads, soft and sturdy bristles. However, some state that the container looks cheapish. At number 2, Lamora Foundation Makeup Brush. Applying different types of makeup is easier and more professional with these black brushes. Coming in a high-quality wooden handle and smooth and sturdy bristles, the brush is fit for powder, liquids as well as creams. It comes in a well-designed and ergonomic handle and shapes for maximum comfort and efficiency, while the flat-top bristles reduce wastage and improve the speed of application. The 0.8-ounce unit is a popular pick because it's very easy to use, versatile, stylish and also light. The bristles are however a bit soft and need tender care. At number 1, Matto Bamboo Makeup Brush Set. This 2 kabuki makeup brush pieces together with the handy pack weigh 1.8 ounces and measure 4.3 x 2 by 3.5 inches. The quality pieces have been handcrafted by professionals and will deliver amazing and long-lasting results. The 100% cruelty-free brushes consist of soft and effective synthetic bristles that apply makeup and also clean easily. The 2 units are suitable for creams, liquids, and powders and come in lightweight for better handling and comfort. Consumers appreciate this set for its user-friendliness, fashionable nature, lightweight and full bristles. Some individuals nonetheless say the brushes aren't very long. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.